what we're doing in the neighborhood right now is improvements in the home itself, things like air sealing, insulation, appliance replacements, and we're doing solar and batteries. We also have a design network geothermal system that would be supplemental to DT. So if you think about it this way, first in, the solar on your roof, the heating is coming from the ground, and then if you need anything else, you're still connected to DT and can pull that.
So not only is it less expensive when you once get the systems in for solar, wind, and battery, but it's also better for your health. That is the wave of the future. So people need to understand that this isn't a buzzword or no, the environmentalists are at it again. This is everybody's lives. This is people's real lives.
I mean, you know, it's wonderful to have our Congresswoman here, but Debbie Dingell is no stranger to Ann Arbor. She is here every single day, it feels like, constantly attending events, meeting with residents, and I'm just really grateful that we have a Congresswoman who is so present, who is so engaged, and who asked us to come here today and see the work that she's being able to partner with us on. Is really just that resident-to-resident conversation. When one person gets solar and they talk about how it impacts them and how it protects them and creates resiliency during a storm, how it's lowering their costs, you get more and more residents starting to ask that question. And so if folks are interested, they should absolutely sign up.
I think when government is really working for the benefit of people and they work with the people, that's the other thing, is they're working with their residents, they're working with the community development agencies. That is very powerful, and that can really make a difference in our everyday life.
This is but one of over 70 initiatives the Office of Sustainability and Innovations in the City of Ann Arbor are doing around sustainability. So if you happen to hear this and you're excited about it, but you're like, dang it, I don't live in Bryant, that does not mean there's not a program for you. There is almost certainly some support that we can help you on your sustainability journey. So check out a2gov.org/sustainability.